Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to lock app on Android. Friends, as we all use different type of app which contain our personal or financial informations, so it's always better to protect our important app by app lock application. So we need to open Play Store to install app lock application. Here search for app lock. Here it is app lock application of D-Mobile Labs. After installing this application, press on open. Here you need to draw your unlock pattern. Now draw your unlock pattern again. Press on agree and start. Here you will find list of application installed on your mobile phone and press here to lock the required applications. Now here app lock is asking for some permissions. Now scroll it little down. Now I will lock all my important apps. Now friends, I have password protected all my apps. I just show you. Now I try to open my WhatsApp. Now it is asking me to draw unlock pattern to open WhatsApp. Now friends, as you can see, with the help of this app, you can very easily secure your apps which are having some important information. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.